The new fuel bridge from Autometer allows you to easily install Autometer fuel level gauges in nearly any vehicle, regardless of the resistance range. This product wires between any Autometer fuel level gauge and stock or aftermarket fuel level sending units. The fuel bridge converts the resistance reading from the sender and adapts the output to be compatible with Autometer gauges. With its compact size, LED display, and easy 3-push button operation, the fuel bridge will be a breeze to install in just about any application. The fuel bridge from Autometer comes complete with a low fuel level warning indicator via LED or relay, and it is pre-programmed with the following resistance ranges. A configurable option anywhere between 0 and 1000 ohms further expands the compatibility for applications where a preset is not available. The fuel bridge from Autometer is the ultimate fuel level gauge problem solver. If you are interested in purchasing the Autometer fuel bridge or looking to have one installed, check out our store locator in the description below. And check back for more videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.